Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a very handy tool that can be very useful in diagnosing problems and also be changing some things on your car, doing some tweaks. Now this tool is called OBDEleven. This is the Pro version, so this is, I'm going to put the pricing in the description. This is a very handy tool, just put out of the box. You may have heard of it before. You put this into your car, you can diagnose your car if you're having issues, problems, errors showing up in the dash, but you can also do some very handy tweaks. So I'm gonna put this in the OBD port. It's just below the dash. I'm gonna put it in right now. Okay, put it in. Now I'm gonna open the OBDEleven app. Now I have the Pro version, so that means I get some credits, because if you want to diagnose problems, you don't need credits. That's actually free. The app itself is free, I believe. The OBD device does cost some money. Again, price is in the description. Now first, the thing you want to do when you open the app is connect and select your device. And I'm gonna show you 5 very interesting tweaks you can do to your car. I've not done all of them, but they are very handy, and maybe I'll make this into a series if I find more tweaks that are very useful. Now I forgot to turn my car on. It does connect, but you cannot do anything more than that. So turn the ignition on. It's on now, and if it's connected to the OBD device, you can scan your car. That will find all the errors and faults that are in the car. Also, if the errors, they don't have to pop up here on the dash, but they will definitely show up in the app. Now that's not what we're going to do today. We're going to do some tweaks. Then we're going to click apps, and the first thing I want to show you is you can just type it in here. It's the Soundaktor, and it's gonna have to load for a second. Now what the Soundaktor is it's the fake engine noise that comes out of the speakers. And when you're driving in GTE mode, this noise is transmitted to the cabin. So there's actually no engine noise outside of the car, but you will definitely hear some fake speaker noise. That's how we call it. Yeah, you can change this if you like it. I actually quite like it, so it's set to 100. That's the stock value, but you can change it to a bit lower, or you can turn it off altogether. Then you will only have the real engine noise. It's basically just what you want, but yeah, that's a very nice mod. What you can do, eliminate the fake engine noise. The second mod that is very interesting is the throttle pedal response. Now what this does is it changes the throttle response, obviously, but it will change it more to a direct 1-to-1 ratio. This means that if your pedal goes down 50%, your throttle valve in the engine also goes 50%. So 1-on-1 ratio. You can change this from standard to responsive. Responsive being the 1-to-1 ratio, and standard being normal. I'll put in a picture to get a more visual feeling of how this works. The third mod I want to show you is the mirror dip. Now this is very useful for if you go to let's just say you want to park your car and you have to park it into the right, and if you put your car in reverse, what this actually does is this dips your right mirror so that you can actually see your wheel, and you can park without damaging your wheel. This is very useful, and the mirror will stay that way until you get out of the parking spot, and you will put the car back into, you will drive off, and it will just revert back. So it's pretty much automatically, don't have to worry about it. For a lot of Golfs it's actually on from stock, but it could be off in your car. You can just put it on, and yeah, you can you do not need electronic mirrors for this. This can also be done with the manual mirrors. I have seen it myself, but yeah, it can be done to most cars. Really check it out, it's very useful. Okay, the fourth tweak is the seatbelt warning. Now I really do not advise you to go driving around without a seatbelt, but there are situations where you just let's just say if you're on a private property, and you just drive around there without a seatbelt, just for convenience. Here you can turn off the warning, so you can just drive around without a seatbelt and the warning will not come up. I have it on. Just yeah, what you want with OBDEleven, you can turn it off. And the fifth very nice tweak is the needle sweep, which gives you a nice needle sweep whenever you turn on the car. For me it's already set on, but here you can, for most cars it's off. You can just turn it on, change value to on and activate. You're good to go. Just a very easy, very nice tweak. So those are 5 tweaks. There are probably going to be more tweaks in the future, so keep an eye on the channel. If you like this, like, subscribe. Leave a comment down below for if you want to see something with OBDEleven. And again, I'm going to put the prices in the description, so check it out. And yeah, thanks.